DJI have just released a brand new mini drone, and this time it's in the form of the DJI Lito 1. So this is a brand new range, a brand new product range called the Lito 1. It's 249 grams, ultra lightweight, and let's have a look how it comes packaged and what we get inside. Okay, so we've got this little section here that lifts up, and then it reveals the drone just underneath. Now I believe that is all that comes in the box. So we've got the drone here and we've got the accessory box, I guess you could call it. Let's have a look at the drone first. Let's see what we get with this drone. It feels very standard. Ooh, that looks quite nice actually. So we can see we've got a big fisheye obstacle avoidance right on top there, smack bang in the middle, or the higher end even, of the drone. It says 249 grams. Looks like it's got the same kind of folding design that we're used to. So let me just move that so we get the whole drone in the frame. So it's got DJI down the base. We've got the little power button here. Similar kind of design to what we've seen with the folding. That's what it looks like underneath. Again, another big fisheye obstacle avoidance there. So it looks like it's the two sensors, one on the base and one on top, and that's going to give us omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Now we've got the gimbal cover. Ooh, and it reveals the camera here. It doesn't have any sort of marking on the camera, it doesn't even tell us anything about the camera system, but it's got a very unique style to it actually, different to what we've seen before. It's kind of all blacked out, looks really nice. It offsets that white shell beautifully. We can see it says Lito 1 on the side. We've got some grills here, which we've seen previously on the mini range. So it looks similar to the mini range, but it also looks different. We've obviously got the two big obstacle avoidance fisheye sensors that will be very interesting to see how they perform. So that's the drone. Keep that to the side. Now in the box, what do we get in the box here? I'd imagine we're going to get some batteries, I would hope. So there's one. There's already a battery in here. So this comes with two batteries. We've got a cable here. We've got a tool. What else do we have? We have the controller. Comes with a few things by the looks of it. Let's just make sure it's all visible. We've got that. Okay, so quite a simple unboxing, but it comes with everything you need. So we've got some spare propellers in case you ever have some issues and need to replace them. Comes with the two batteries that you can see here. So one of them was already in the drone, the other one is right here. So that's what the batteries look like. It literally just says ultralight 249 grams on the batteries. Both of them say that. We've then got a little screwdriver here. This is pretty standard nowadays in these packs. And then we also get some stickers and the information guide here as well. So that's that. And then we get the controller. Standard controller that we've seen, I believe, before I confirm, but it is the RC-N3. There it is right there, RC-N3. Comes with a pre-installed cable, which is the USB-C cable, but they also give you the lightning connection as well, in case you have an iPhone that uses lightning, which is me in my situation, so I'm glad they're still providing that. Yeah, so it comes with that as well, which is nice. So yeah, that's the whole kit there. That's the setup with the drone, two batteries, additional cable. You obviously get the controller as well. So pretty standard unboxing. Obviously the main piece is this guy here. And if I just have a little look on the box, that's obviously the lens cap as well, which we saw before. That's actually built quite nicely. That's a sturdy plastic. That's definitely going to protect the camera system. You can just see there it says Lito 1. We've obviously got the nice camera system on the front there, and then those obstacle avoidance sensors that I showed you before. Now, on the box, let me just see if it tells us anything. So it says omnidirectional obstacle sensing, active track 360 degrees, 4K video, under 249 grams, extendable flight time, and 15-kilometer video transmission. So it sounds like a great offering for a mini drone, and I think this might replace some of the other mini drones in their fleet. So there you go. That's the Lito 1.